Hi everyone, welcome to Crafting with Julia. I'm Julia and I'm so glad you tuned in today. Today I'm making a Santa's mailbox. Most of the materials I used are from scraps. The only things purchased was the wood slice that it's sitting on and the faux snow. The links to those products are in the description box below. So let's get started. If you enjoy my video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. I love to get feedback from my viewers. Also, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you can be notified of all my newly released videos. Also, feel free to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I invite you to join my Facebook group called Crafting with Julia's Creative Community, where you can be part of my crafting family. All of those links are in the description below this video. Okay, so here's all my pieces for the mailbox. I'm starting with this. This is the inner roll of my vinyl paper from my vinyl rolls. So I just took it and I cut it in half, and this is a 6-inch piece. So that's going to be the base of my mailbox. Then I have this flexible piece of cardboard that I just had in my stash. You can use any kind of cardstock or flexible paper, or if you have this kind of cardboard, this works out great. Okay, and this piece is 5.5 inches by 3 7/8. That's what I'm using. And then this is going to be the base, and this is 3 7/8 by 2 1/4. So what we're going to do first is we are going to take this piece and we're going to fold this piece and glue it on like that. So I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue and put it on the edge here. And lay that right down like that. Then I'm going to fold it over and glue the other side. Okay, so once that's dry, now I am going to trace the ends onto a piece of cardboard. It's a little thick corrugated cardboard. So we're just going to trace that end. And cut it out. Okay, and now we're going to glue that to the ends. Okay, now this side I'm going to leave open, like it's an open mailbox. So I'm going to glue it like that. Okay, then we're going to take some foam and we're going to run it around the edge like that. So I am just going to put some glue on there. Put my foam piece on. Okay, and then just cut it right there. And in case you're wondering, this piece here is a quarter, actually it's 3/8 of an inch wide. And then I'm going to run it around this part here, just like a real mailbox. Okay, so far we have our mailbox, and now we're going to glue it onto the top. So just want to find the center, and I'm going to take a little bit of glue, run it around the top. And then put our mailbox right in the center. Make sure that's in the center, yeah. Okay, so there's our mailbox. So now I am going to paint it. I want my mailbox to be red, so I'm going to spray paint it red. Of course, you can make it any color you like. Okay, so my mailbox is all sprayed in red. And now I'm ready to assemble it. So I cut out this flag with my Cricut. This is one of the images that I downloaded onto my Cricut. And now we're just going to put the flag on the mailbox like that. So I am just going to put a hole with my hole punch right there. And using a red little brad, I am going to attach it to the mailbox. Okay, like that. And now I made this little envelope in white felt. So I am just going to glue up the sides and make a little envelope. And we're going to stick this inside the mailbox. Okay, that's the little letter in there. Okay, now I'm going to glue this to this wood base that I got on Amazon. Just going to glue it right to the center there. Okay, and now I am going to decorate the top of the mailbox. I'm going to be using just some pieces. And now I'm going to use some Aleene's Glitter Snow and brush it on the base. thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again real soon. Happy crafting!